Hey everyone, welcome back to RJ Art Gallery. If you love drawing and want to improve your skills, you're in the right place. Today we have a super exciting tutorial. We're drawing the gorgeous Kayadu Lohar from the movie Dragon. I know many of you have been waiting for this, so make sure you watch till the end because I'll be sharing some pro tips to make your drawings look more realistic. First, I'll create the outline digitally in Autodesk Sketchbook and then I'll recreate the same outline on paper. This method helps a lot in getting proportions right. So let's get started. We'll start by drawing a 9.5 centimeter horizontal line. This sets the width of the face. Then we'll draw a 12.5 centimeter vertical line for the height. Now, let's connect these lines to shape the upper and lower face. Next, we'll map out the features. I always start with the hairstyle as it helps frame the face. Then we'll sketch the eyebrows, eyes, nose and lips. Don't worry about details yet, just focus on getting the placement right. And finally, we'll complete the dress outline. Now the basic structure is ready. The outline is like a roadmap. It guides us through the shading process. Now that the outline is done, I'll gently erase the hard lines and start detailing. This is where the drawing really starts coming to life. I always begin detailing with the eyebrows because they frame the expression. Use short, soft strokes to make them look natural. Now let's move on to the eyes. Eyes are the most expressive part of any portrait, so take your time. Start with the upper eyelid. Add shadows around the eye socket and carefully shade the iris for depth. See how that instantly adds realism? Avoid harsh lines for a smooth look. Next, let's define the nose. Many beginners struggle with this, but here's a trick. Don't outline the entire nose. Instead, focus on shading the shadows around it. This will make it look more natural and three-dimensional. Now, on to one of the trickiest but most rewarding parts, the smiling lips. Start by outlining the lips lightly, then shade around the teeth to make them pop. Be careful not to make the teeth too bright or they'll look unnatural. Now that the features are complete, let's bring the face to life with smooth shading. I always blend gently to get that soft skin texture. Now, let's move on to the hairstyle. This part is fun but requires patience. Use different pencil pressures to create volume and flow in the hair. Finally, let's complete the neck and outfit. I'll add some folds and shadows to make the clothing look more realistic. And here it is, the final portrait of Kayadu Lohar. What do you guys think? Let me know in the comments below. Also, check the description for links to the tools I used in this video. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to RJ Art Gallery. I post new drawing tutorials every week, so make sure you hit the bell icon so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.